In this video, we'll be introducing a new lab on basic VPC setup. So once again, labs will consist of two videos. One, me explaining the goals that you should try to meet for this lab on your end with no guidance. And two, the explainer video where I walk through and perform the lab myself. And as always, I highly suggest you give this lab a shot on your own before watching my explainer video. And with that said, let's get started. So your first goal for this lab is to create a new VPC in any region. After that, you should create two subnets, and then using a NAT gateway, an internet gateway, and route tables, make one subnet public and one private. Next, create an EC2 instance using a LampStack AMI and deploy it into the new public subnet. And then finally, verify you can navigate to the EC2 in a browser and see a web application, which means that it was successfully deployed into a public subnet. And that'll wrap it up for the goals of this lab, so if all of that makes sense, then feel free to stop this video and get started.